Hello, this is Dr. Zhu welcoming you on the course of How to Think and Use Your Mind. Now, this was a public request, very easily coming to me and asked that I should teach people how to think because a lot of people don't know how to use their minds. And this is correct. There's a lot of distraction going on in your head and you don't know how to focus. Now, first of all, what we are going to do in this course is to learn that why can't you focus? Why and for what are you using your mind and your thoughts? Second is we are going to look into what are the prerequisites you have to do in your mind in order to make this change and to use your mind. We are also going to explore what is focus and what do you want to focus on. We will help you to choose that. And the next section will be about that how to live in the present moment and why is your present moment is a gateway to your future, accomplishing anything in your life. Then we are going to look at what are the exercises to use to retrain your mind, and this will be a very, very specific portion of this and the most important portion of this session. Next, we will learn how to use your mind to do what you want to do and not what your mind wants you to do. Lastly, we will put a great little tool on, which is the how to shift your focus, how to rise above, and how does it look like in the daily life. So welcome you to the course. Let's get started. This is Dr. Zhu, and welcome you to have a beautiful experience here together.